vending machines are not what they used to be. Today, they're getting smarter, connected, cashless, even AI-powered. The market is booming. By 2028, it's expected to grow by over $17 billion. With smarter features come tougher challenges. Running AI locally needs serious processing power. That's where Giada comes in. For over 25 years, we've been building embedded PCs that power smart retail, automation, and, yes, vending. We're the brains behind hundreds of thousands of machines already in action around the world. If you need AI at the edge, Giada's high-performance platforms handle image recognition, analytics, and recommendations right on the device. If you need to connect everything, we've got you covered. USB, serial ports, GPIO ready for card readers, QR scanners, touchscreens, sensors, and more. Need always-on network connectivity? Giada supports LAN, Wi-Fi, and cellular network. We're ready to help you to fit any installation environments. Yes, we're fanless, energy efficient, and built to survive in tight spaces and tough conditions. The future of vending is here, and it's smarter than ever. With Giada, getting a powerful, reliable platform to build it on.